Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, yes, I am doing an unboxing. Now this is an item I got from Amazon if you watched my video about my Amazon faves. So this is not a sponsored video. This is paid for with my own coins. So I want to show you a quick unboxing to see you all the things in my steam mop. So today we are going to steam clean my apartment, guys, especially my kitchen. I want to show you everything that this steam clean does. Disclaimer, do not judge my grime because we all have grime, even YouTubers. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you all the parts that comes with this. And look at Sarah. Oh my goodness. And also, of course, it comes with instructions. So read that carefully, okay, because this is extremely hot and you want to make sure everything is working properly. This, again, is the attachment here for the handheld. I am loving this. Is my favorite thing over the mop. Now, the first thing I want to do is tackle my faucet. So, of course, this is the little reservoir. You put the water in, and it takes about 2 cups. Make sure it's filled. Now, some people use distilled water, and they say you can use regular water. Since Vegas water is really harsh, after this, I actually did buy distilled water for this because I want to make sure it lasts. Also, with these machines, the first one I got from Amazon lasts me 5 days. Make sure you get a warranty. They have the warranties for 2 years for $15.99. As you see here, I'm turning it on, and this is the brush. Now, these brushes, again, are really, really good, but they do not last. Another thing, the downfall about this steamer is the fact that you can get replacements, so that's okay. But I'm going to show you later. I just went to Home Depot and got regular brushes. So let's get started. Let's see how it can get this grime away from this buildup, especially here where you have harsh water. Now let's come over to this oven. Oh my God, this thing was so hard to tackle. But you know, it's always difficult to clean ovens because it's all grimy. But I'm gonna tell you, this steam. Of course, I used other things because I really had some baked on grime here. So I did use, you can go chemical free, but I used Barkeepers. And also, I used a little bit of Mrs. Meyer's. I'm telling you guys, end of the day, my whole place would smell like lavender in my kitchen. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how I clean my stove and my oven. Now, if you're meticulous like me and you want to get all those little dots of baked on food over the course of time, get that little scouring. It's a Pumie, and you can get this at Home Depot or Walmart. Walmart is cheaper. I showed you this before. It's only $1.88, guys. Now for the inside racks for the oven, I didn't find the steamer really help much, nor do this small little Pumie. So I went to Home Depot and they had a really big blocks of it in the section where they sell barbecue grills and cleaning supplies. I just want to briefly show you how this Pumie really helps the bottom of your pots, your pans, grills, everything. This is an amazing little Pumie stick. And again, I said it's dirt cheap, $1.88, and I'm pretty sure Amazon sells them as well. So over here, oh my God, this is what happens when you have hot chocolate in the middle of the night. So I left it there and I figured I'll clean it in the morning, and it got baked on, just sticky and grimy and dirty. So guys, no problem, let's clean it. Now this, I will not put a steamer. As you can see, I have wires there, so I did it the old-fashioned way of scrubbing it. All right guys, let me show you what I did. So when it came to the rest of my cleaning, I wore out my poor brushes. So I decided to use my heavy duty brush I got from Home Depot, or of course any heavy duty. Just don't use anything that's metal to scrape your finish on your appliances. So be careful. Also, this steamer, I started at like medium and then I went to high. So you don't want to burn or scorch, because trust me, this steam gets high and you can burn or sometimes melt or scorch surfaces. But be extremely careful for this, because again, it's very hot. Now this attachment that looks like an egg beater with a sock attached to it, it's a really cool little attachment, and this was not in the other previous Light and Easy. That's how come I returned that one and got this one. This is kind of what you use for windows, anything that you want to polish afterwards after you finish cleaning. So this is really, really handy, and it's very flexible. And it gets in between these little small places, and also you could use this way above your kitchen cabinets to get that top grime on the cabinets above. And this is one of my favorite attachments. This gets that direct, strong steam straight to those crevices. It sort of had that pointed nozzle at the tip, and then it gets really into those corners. So again, be careful with this nozzle. Do not put this too close to paint or your baseboards, okay? Just make sure you give it at least a few inches. If not, it will take your paint off. Now, this was the tedious part, tackling grout and that grime. Now, this grime is actually not from walking on it. I had a runner on here that I purchased from Home Depot with rubber underneath it. So I think this is what happened. It was scraping back and forth, and it left this black mark. So now what I'm going to do is just steam it. And as you can see, it's going in between. I ran out of my other cleaner, so I'm using just Murphy's oil soap, something that's very, easy to use. And you can see how I easily scrub all that grime away from those grout lines. Now, once this is done, this is like some deep cleaning that you do like twice a year, spring and winter. So once this is done, only thing you have to do now is probably just basic mopping. Now, when it comes to spills in your refrigerator door, this was some pesto sauce. I didn't even notice at first. I just spilled from one to the other. Again, this is an awesome thing to do, is to steam your refrigerator. Again, you see I'm steaming, and this is pretty cool. And I have it on medium, guys. I have on medium setting because I don't want anything burnt or anything scorched. And again, it's so easy to clean. And once everything is clean, it deodorizes and you just steam the whole refrigerator down. Now for the bottom of my closet, I decided to use Windex wipes first, and you can see it doesn't get it quite as clean. When you use the steamer and you use the attachment, my goodness, look at the dirt that's inside that we are missing. So again, guys, if you decide to get something like this, or if you have one and you didn't realize you could do so many things, bring that steamer out. Try to get the steamer with the attachments. As you can see, you can do multiple things with this steamer. And once everything is clean and you did your cleaning, only thing you have to do is go spray deodorize it. And also mirrors, windows, everything, every room and everything you can do with this steamer. So I'm glad I did this purchase. I'm glad I found this on Amazon Prime. Okay guys, I just want to show you the last thing that it does, windows and glass, with no Windex and no streaks as well. So again guys, I'm going to link this Light and Easy. This is the one I use. There are a couple versions of it, but I like this one the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Again, I'm going to link this in the description. And again, this will be affiliation. This is not vendor sponsor, but of course we do get affiliations, and we did get a couple pennies for every time you purchase something. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl, and thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video, guys. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl.